Hello, in this video I will explain few important tips and know-how about Roman numerals. Right? This video is for class 3, but the other students of uh, various classes, for example class 2 and class 4, can also get help from this video. Right? So till now we were using Hindu Arabic numerals, right? Or sometimes we say decimal numbers like 0, 1, 2, dot dot up to 9. This number we are familiar with this number, okay? But in ancient time, Roman numerals were used. Now we uh, should learn those numeral system because it will be also used in higher classes for writing uh, uh, number patterns in the question paper. Okay, so first of all we will uh, know the analogy of few numbers, that means few decimal numbers with Roman number, for example, which is more important. If first of all I am writing Hindu Arabic number, right? Hindu Arabic numbers or numerals, I say I am writing in short. Okay, I can write here 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Okay, here for the lack of space it has become compact. Okay, here is the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. This is 1, this is 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Right? M is 1000, D is 500, C for 100 and L for 50. So after knowing this number, now I will show you how to write the Roman numerals. First of all, I want to write the Roman number from 1 to 10, and after that I will show you how it is formed. Right? Suppose I am just showing this one here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will observe the pattern. In Roman numerals, what we do, there is no place value. There is no place value like in our system Arabic, or you can say decimal number. Here we form the number by adding and subtracting. If we write any number, lower number on the right side, suppose this is a number 5, I am giving example. If I write any number, small number, to the left, then that will be subtracted from this 5, and if any lower numeral Roman numbers will be right on right, then it will be added. For example, this is 5. If I write 1 here, then what is become, it become in decimal analogy, uh, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4, because this one is subtracted from this one. Now if I write like this, now this one is written on the right side of the this 5, then it will be added. That means 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Okay, so this is the technique of writing the numbers in Roman system. Now remember one thing, that no any number will be repeated more than 3. That means, notice this one here. Here you have repeated one number 3 times, 1, 2, 3. That means you could form 4 number by repeating this one 4 times. But this is not the rule of the Roman numbers. You cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. Okay? Like you can see here, 6, 6, 7, 8. Now 3 has been repeated 3 times. After that we cannot repeat this one 4 to write here 9, because 5 plus 4 can become 9. But we have not written like this. What we did, we subtracted 1 from 10. Okay, when I will give you some tips of writing these numbers, then you can understand. Again I am writing, for suppose you want to write 30, so you can repeat 10 3 times. Okay, and if you asked to write 40, then you cannot write like this. Okay, because this has been repeated 4th time, so this one is not valid. So to write 40, what will you do? You will do like this. L is 50, you know, L is 50, and I will subtract 10 from 50. That means I will write 10 just left to the L, so it is 40. Clear? I am again giving few tips. You must also know this one. You should know very it is a very good tricks, right, for class 3 students. You know 10 in Roman, this one, 20 this one, 30 3x. Now you cannot repeat anymore. 40, now you have to go larger number, that means XL. 50, you know, L. 60, you can write 50 plus 10 60. 70, you can add 50 plus 20 70, and 80, even you can write L and 3x, that means 310. Now 90, you cannot repeat this 10 4 times, right? So what will you do? You write, you know what is 100, you know C is 100, right? C is 100, and you subtract 10 from 100, so it is 90. After that, what is 100? It is C. Now suppose if anybody asked to write you the number 44, okay, you know this one. If you know this one, if anybody asks to write, suppose 45, you asked to write 45 in Roman numbers, what will you do? You know 40. What is 40? This one is 40. Now add 5, that is, this is 5, 45. Very easy. You just take the help from here. If you ask to write 57, you know 50, 57, you know 50, L is 50, and 7, this one is 7, 57. Isn't it easy? I think it has been completely cleared how to write Roman numbers. I am again telling one thing more. Suppose I am going beyond 100. It is important. 200, how will I write 200? Very easy. Double C. 300, triple C. 400, no triple C will be allowed. Now you have to go a larger number. D means 500. Now you have to subtract 100 from here. Okay, this D is 500 and this C is 100. So 100 subtracted from 500 equal to 400. Clear? Now 500, you know, D 600. This is D plus C. That means 500 plus 100, 700. That is D C C 800, D triple C. Now you cannot repeat this C again anymore. Now how will you write 900? Then what you have? M minus C, right? And what is 1000? This is M. Now it is very clear. If you ask to write 972, suppose, very easy. You know 900, cm is 900. You know 70. You know 70. How it was written? L plus, how is written? L, that means 50 plus 20. This is 70. This is 900. For 900 I have written this one, and this is 70, this one, and this is 2. Okay, 972. It is very easy. So with this analogy you can form any number. I think it is a very good tips what I given here. You can apply anywhere, right?